You need to hear this if you're a nature enthusiast. Meet the Arapaima fish. This aquatic titan from the Amazon River can grow up to 10 feet long. But what's even more fascinating? Its scales. Each scale is a masterpiece of nature. Not only do these scales protect the Arapaima from predators, they're also used in art. Yes, you heard that right. Artisans collect these scales to create beautiful jewelry and intricate decorations. Imagine wearing a piece of the Amazon. So next time you think about fish, remember the Arapaima. It's not just swimming in the river, it's swimming into the world of art. Catch you later with more fascinating facts.